Hello student, welcome to you. Now I am going to explain the following given question. So here question is given: a solid sphere of radius capital R has charge Q distributed in its volume with charge density rho is equal to K R to the power A, where K and A are constants and R is the distance from its center. If the electric field at R is equal to capital R by 2 is 1 by 8 times that at R is equal to capital R, find value of A. Okay. So volume charge density is given K into R to the power A, and volume charge density is varying with variation of R from the center. Okay. Now it is given electric field at R is equal to R by 2 is equal to electric field at R is equal to R. Okay. Now first we have to find the electric field at small r is equal to capital R by 2. So for this, let us consider one sphere. Now let us consider one elemental sphere of thickness dr, elemental concentric spherical shell of thickness dr. So here thickness is dr and distance from the center is r. Okay. So find the charge at r is equal to small r is equal to capital R by 2. So dq is equal to rho into 4 pi r square into dr. Okay, and rho is given, so dq is equal to rho into 4 pi r square, and rho is already given K r to the power A, K r to the power A into dr. Now integrate dq is equal to 4 pi k into r to the power A plus 2 dr from the limit 0 to r by 2. Okay, so now we can say that 0 to q1. So q1 is equal to 4 pi k r to the power A plus 3 by A plus 3, limit is from 0 to r by 2. Okay, so q1 is equal to 4 pi into k r by 2 to the power A plus 3. Okay, now electric field at P1 is equal to K Q1 K Q1 K Q1 by R square. Okay, so here K Q1 by R is nothing but R by 2 whole square, and put the value Q1 here. So EP1 is equal to, this K is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and here is small q, and this one is a capital Q. So this Q is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1. Q1 is 4 pi k by A plus 3 R by 2 A plus 3 divided by R by 2 whole square. So after simplifying, EP1 is equal to here 4 pi get cancel. So k by epsilon naught into a plus 3 r by 2 a plus 1. Okay. Now similarly for electric field at r is equal to r. At r is equal to r. So let us consider here point P. So here point P2. This is point P1. So EP2 is equal to, at r is equal to r by 2, point is P1, at r is equal to r by 2 is point P1. Okay. Now EP2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 pi into k a plus 3. So put the value r at the place of this small r. So Q2, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 pi k by a plus 3 into r to the power a plus 3 by here r square. Okay. So 4 pi get cancelled. So EP2 is equal to k by epsilon naught a plus 3. Now r to the power a plus 1. Okay. Now in the question it is mentioned electric field at r is equal to capital R by 2 is equal to electric 1 by 8 times electric field at small r is equal to capital R. So here EP1 is equal to 1 by 8 times EP2. Okay. So k by epsilon naught into a plus 3 r by 2 a plus 1 is equal to 1 by 8 k by epsilon naught into a plus 3 r to the power a plus 1. Okay. So here it will get cancelled, k cancel. So r to the power a plus 1 by 2 to the power a plus 1 is equal to r to the power a plus 1 by 2 to the power 3. So this value and this r to the power a plus 1, r to the power a plus 1 get cancelled. So now 2 to the power a plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 3. So we can say that a plus 1 is equal to 3. So finally a is equal to 2. So answer of this question is 2. So value of a is 2. Okay. So 2 is correct answer. Okay, thank you.